our assigned sector or topic, which is the women. So before that, let me give the short meaning of the social work practice. Since ang subject natin is social work practice, so social work practice is a practice-based profession and academic discipline that promotes social change and development. So, ang main goal lang ng social practice is social change and development of the community or well-being. So, let's move on to the description of the women. So, women can be described as compassionate and understanding. They are one of the listeners who offer support and care to those in need. One of their goals is to improve themselves to be fully called as a women. So yun ang description ng women. So since women ang title namin or sector na na-assign sa amin, ang napili kong topic is abuse women. So I have here the scenario ng abused women. So, Jess and Anne is an abused woman and they experience sexual contact and unwanted touching. Now, how does social work practice being applied into the women abuse? So, dito na tayo sa question na how does social work practice being applied into the women abuse? Paano daw may apply ng isang social worker ang social work practice sa women abuse na to or sa mga babae na na-abuse. So for me, one of the common ways is to provide a minor counseling since the case is confidential. So una-una mong gagawin is magbibigay ka or magpo-provide ka ng minor counseling since social work lang tayo at hindi counselor. Ang pwede lang mag-counseling ng fully counseling is ang mga counselor. Ang sa atin na social worker is minor counseling lang. Hindi tayo pwede makialam sa mga counselor kasi counselor sila at hindi tayo counselor. Pwede tayo magbigay ng counseling or advice but then minor lamang po. So, ang next question is i-explain po ng ka-member ko po sa next video. So, thank you po.
So, the next question is, what are the challenges faced in handling this group? So, as I look in this case, the main problem or challenges that social work face is being confidentiality in all aspect that the women experience. So, dito is, since ang topic ay na-abuse ang mga women, ang nakikita kong problem or challenges na hinaharap ng mga social worker is yung salitang confidentiality. Bakit? Kasi hindi po lahat ng na-abuse is willing magpa-interview. Kaya kinakailangan ng mga social worker na kunin ang mga info ng mga taong yon para matulungan. But then, hindi lang ganun kadali. So, kailangan nilang maging matinik sa lahat ng bagay since it's confidentiality. So, the next question is, how should a social work handle this group? So, the social worker had a knowledge and skill to help and handle abused women, and one of these is to provide a minor counseling before implementing the helping process. So, dito naman is kailangan may kaalaman ang social worker para matulungan at may handle ang grupo, which means the women abuse. So, tulad ng sinabi ni Irene, ang una-una mong gagawin ay magpo-provide ka ng minor counseling since social worker tayo at hindi counselor. So, ang pwede lang mag-counseling ng fully counseling is ang mga counselor. Dahil lang sa ating lang na social worker is minor counseling before implementing the helping process. That's all po.
Discuss the social climate which the group might have. For me, the abused women belong to the cruel family and lack of financial support. They live in the squatter area.
Next is social action. So, since ang topic namin ngayon is about sa women or abusing women, so bakit ba na-fall sa social action ng abusing woman. Dahil kumbaga kapag sinabi natin social action is ito na yung mga ginagawa or action na ginagawa ng mga social worker para tulungan yung mga taong may mga problema, mga ganon. So kaya naman ang topic namin is about sa abusing woman. So isa ito sa mga kumbaga sinulusyonan ng or mga problema na ginawa. Parang ito yung isa sa mga problema na nagawan ng paraan ng mga social worker, or ito yung mga action na ginawa ng mga social worker dahil kumbaga maraming mga dahil sa kanilang pag survey or pag-conduct, parang ganun, is nalaman nila na maraming mga kababaihan na naabuso. So kaya naman parang pinatupad nila yung parang article or law na bawal abusuin yung mga kababaihan, bawal abusuin ng kanilang mga asawa, parang ganon. So isa ito sa mga tinatawag na social action na ginawa ng ating mga social work. Thank you.